Welcome students. In today's class we will start the next new chapter of your mathematics syllabus, that is determinants. So determinant is the new word for you all. So first I will start this chapter by defining what you mean by determinant. Okay. So definition of determinant is if A is equal to Aij square matrix of order n. This can be associated to the number is known as determinant of A. So this is the definition of determinant. We will learn word by word. If A is equal to Aij, this is the matrix representation in general form. All of you know. If A is equal to Aij is a square matrix. Square matrix means the number of rows and number of columns are equal. If A is a square matrix of order n, this means the matrix can be associated to the number. If a matrix is associated to the one number and that number is known as the determinant of A. This is the definition of a determinant. So we will learn it by one example. So I will take one matrix. So I have to take a square matrix. This is the main part, square matrix and a number. So to tell the determinant we required only square matrix, not a rectangular matrix. So I will take one square matrix. I will take a 2 by 2 square matrix, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this a square matrix? Yes. So this is a matrix? Yes. What do you mean by matrix? Yes, we can say the definition of matrix which we have learnt in previous classes. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of the numbers or the object. Rectangular arrangement. So this is the arrangement of 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers in a rectangular form. Next, what is the value of A? A means a matrix. We can't say the value of a matrix in matrix chapter. Matrix is just a representation, but in determinant chapter we can say the value of this matrix. Getting? We can say the value of this matrix. So the difference between matrix and the determinant is matrix means just a representation and determinant means telling the value of a square matrices. Getting? Okay. So how to find out the value? We will learn one by one. At this moment just know that determinant is the telling the value of a square matrix. A is a matrix, then how we can denote the determinant? If A is a matrix, we can denote the determinant by this symbol, that is line symbol. So all of you know this is the modulus symbol. Modulus for only real numbers. But here A is the matrix, then these lines denote the determinant of a matrix. Okay. So and here also I will write the lines and I will write the same as matrix only. Only difference between matrix and determinant denotation is here square brackets and here lines. Getting? So this is the matrix denotation, that is determinant of A. We can write this as DET of A also. This is also determinant of A. DET means short form of determinant. So if A is a matrix, then determinant of A can be denoted like this. Determinant of A, that is line of A, and here lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and DET of A. This is the denotation for the determinants. Next, how we can find out the determinant of any square matrix? Okay. You are getting the square matrix and you have to find out the number, that is see here. Associated to number. They have told associate to the number. How we can find out the number? Which number? It may be 1, 2, 3. we have to find out that number. So we will find out the determinant of the matrices. First one, determinant of square matrix of determinant of square matrix of order 1. Okay, so we will learn order 1, order 2, order 3, so on. So how we can write the square matrix of order 1 in general form? So see here, if A is a square matrix of order 1 means there is only one row, one column. So how we can write? We can write like this: A, first row, first column. This is general representation of 1 by 1 square matrix. So we have to find out the determinant of this matrix. So easy, we can find out. I will write like this. This is the determinant symbol. This is matrix, this is determinant. And here also I will write like this only. There is only one term, so we can write the exactly value is A11 only. If there is a square matrix of order only 1, then the value is that element only which is present in this matrix. Matrix alli yav term iruttalla ade yavaglu ee determinant answer ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Determinant of A is equal to A11 ante. So second one, for this one, first one I will give the example. If A is a matrix of order 1 by 1 like this representation, then what is the determinant of A? Determinant of A is 3 only. Okay. Second one, determinant of square matrix of order 2. If a square matrix is of order 2, then how we can find out the determinants? So see here, I will take the general form of the 2 by 2 square matrix. How we can write the general form which we have studied in matrix chapter? Totally there are 2 rows and 2 columns. First one is A11, second one is A12, A21, A22. This is the general representation of the 2 by 2 square matrix. Now I have to find out the determinant of A. How can I find out? I will write here. I will just rub this and continue here. So 2 by 2 matrix means there are totally 4 elements and it is a square matrix. So in previous matrices chapter we have learnt for square matrix there is a diagonal. Are you remembering? Diagonals. So diagonals are only present in the square matrix. So I will write the determinant symbol. This is the determinant A is equal to, I will write the determinant symbol A11, A12, A21, A22. Next, so first take the, what are the diagonal elements in this determinant? Same as matrix. So diagonal elements means these two are known as diagonal elements. Getting now from left corner to first element to the right corner last element. These elements are known as the diagonal elements. To write the determinant value of a 2 by 2 matrix, you have to multiply the diagonal elements. So diagonal elements are A11 into A22. A11 into A22 minus, negative is necessary. This is necessary in the determinant finding rule. Minus is okay. Next, you have to multiply the non-diagonal elements. Non-diagonal elements with the elements which are not present at the diagonal. If diagonal is removed, what are the elements left? A12 and A21. These are the non-diagonal elements. Only 2 are left. I have to multiply these. Rest of these elements I will multiply. I write here. Then just simplify this one and you will get the determinant of A. Only determinant of A for the square matrix of order 2 by 2, we can find out by multiplying the diagonal elements minus product of the non-diagonal elements. Two elements are there, 2 elements minus next 2 elements. So this is the rule to find out the determinant of square matrix of order 2 by 2. Right? So with example we can solve easily. Evaluate determinant of A, which is equal to like this. 2, 4 minus 1, 2. So they have given the A in determinant form only. They have already given determinant, not a matrix. Evaluate means we have to find out the value. Find the value of this determinant. First I will write the determinant. Please check what is the order of this determinant. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. Sorry, 2 by 2 orders matrix determinant. Please don't write the order for the determinants at this moment. Okay? Next, what we have to do? What is the rule to find out the determinant of A? You have to multiply the diagonal elements. What are the diagonals here? What are the diagonal elements? 2 and 2. So just multiply 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. So I will write another one step. Just I have to multiply the diagonal elements. These are the diagonals. That is 2 into 2. Okay. Next, minus sign is compulsory in the determinant rule. Finding the determinants rule. Next, I have to multiply the non-diagonal elements. 4 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1. Non-diagonal elements. Next, 2 2s are 4 minus 4 into minus 1. Minus 4. I will continue here only. 4 as it is, minus into minus, plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So what is the determinant value of this one? Is 8. We can tell the value of this number. Like this we can find out the values. So I will take another one example. For the 2 by 2 matrix, example, evaluate x, x plus 1, x minus 1 and x. So they have given the determinant of the alphabets, that is elements. They have not given the numbers, but we can find out the determinant value here also. Is this the 2 by 2 matrix determinant? Yes. So we have to apply the same rule. First I will write the determinant x, x plus 1, x minus 1, x. So how to find out the determinant value of 2 by 2 matrix? Multiply the diagonal elements minus multiply the non-diagonal elements. This is just rule. So product of diagonal elements. Diagonal elements are x, x. These are the diagonals. X into x. Minus is necessary. Multiply the non-diagonal elements. X plus 1 into x minus 1. Yes, just go on simplifying and you will get the determinant of this one. X into x is x square minus, next I have to multiply these two. How we can multiply? See here, x plus 1 into x minus 1. We have one formula, that is a plus b into a minus b is always equal to a square minus b square. So same identity I will apply here. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. X plus 1 into x minus 1 is x square minus 1 square. 1 square is again 1. X square as it is, this negative sign is for both these two terms. So I have to apply minus for both. Minus x square, minus into minus, plus 1. X square get cancels. You will get the 1 as the answer. The value of this determinant is 1. Like this way we can find out the determinant value for 2 by 2 matrix. So up to this we have studied the how to find out the determinant for the square matrix of order 1 and 2. Now next one, order 3. So third one is how to find out the determinant of square matrix. I am writing square. Are you getting now? Square matrix of order 3. Square matrix of order 3 means 3 by 3 matrix. 3 rows and 3 columns. I will take A. So tell me what is the general form of 3 by 3 matrix. Just recall your memory from matrices chapter. 3 rows and 3 columns means A11, A12, A13. First row is over. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Next, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Like this. Third one is A31, A32, A33. Like this way we can continue. Next. So see here. Now I have to find out the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. We can't apply the same rule for 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. That 2 by 2 matrix rule is for only 2 by 2 square matrix. Please don't apply that is for in 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, multiplying the diagonals and multiplying no. That is not a correct rule for finding the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Now first I will write the determinant of A, and here also I will write the determinant of A. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now I want to write the determinant value for this 3 by 3 matrix. To write the determinant value or find the determinant value for 3 by 3 matrix, the rule is we have to expand the matrix. Expand the matrix or determinant means this is the determinant in on some representation. I have to expand it. So expansion takes place along the rows or columns. So always we can expand through the any row or any column, but at this moment I am expanding this determinant with always first row. Expanding along first row. You can expand along any row or any column, you will get the same answer, but first row is easy method. Okay, expanding. So still you don't know expanding about first row, I will tell one by one. So the main thing in this determinant to find out the value is first row. So I will take the first row, and for first row I have to apply the signs. First element is always plus, second one minus, third one is plus. Plus, minus, plus alternatively. Next one, this determinant value is equal to, take the first element in the first row, that is A11. So this element is present in first row and first column. Just leave the first row and first column. Yes, just leave the first row and first column. If you leave the first row and first column, what is left? Here 4 elements are left. Is this a 2 by 2 matrix type or determinant type? Yes. So I will write A11 into that left 2 by 2 in determinant form. A22, A23, A32, A33. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ A11 ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡೋದು ಇಂಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು. So I have to leave the first row in first column, then left matrix or left determinant I have to write in the determinant form with multiplication of that term. ಸೊ A11 ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಇಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ನ ಇಡಬೇಕು. 2/2 ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ A12. Here I am taking minus, that is the rule. Minus A12 into determinant. We will get again 2/2 determinants fixed. So what are the terms comes in this determinant? See here. This is in first row, second column. First row, second column is over. There are totally 4 elements are left. This is first column, this is second column. Similarly, I have to write same way. First column, second column. What are the left? See here, A21, A31 and here this one, A23, A33. Okay. So only left is third term, that is plus A13 determinant. What are the elements comes in this determinant? Just tell me. A13 means first row, third column. First row, third column. What are left? A21, A22, A31, A32. A21, A22, A31, A32. So next one, A11 as it is. Now we have to simplify this. How can we simplify A11 as it is? Is this a 2/2 determinant? Yes, and we know how to find out the value of 2/2 determinant. How we can find out? Multiply diagonal elements minus multiply non-diagonal elements. Similar way apply to these 3 determinants. So here A22 diagonal element 3 3 minus A23 into A32. That is cross multiplication like this and like this. Minus as it is. Here A21, A33, A23, A31 and next plus A13. Here also same diagonal elements A21, A32 minus A22, A31. Like this way, this is the final expansion of this determinant. It's not necessary to for every time you have to write this step. We can directly write this step. Yes? So for solving the determinants of 3/3 order, we can directly write this step. How we can write? See here. We are always expanding along the first row, no? So write the first row, A11. First element you have to write A11. Next, leave the row and column in which that element is present. So after leaving, what you will get? This one. So just cross multiply. A22, A33 and minus sign is compulsory. A23 and A32. Written? Okay. Next, minus A12. Just cross multiply with minus sign. Middle is minus sign. Next, this term cross multiply with minus sign. So directly we can write the determinant expansion. As we will start the solving the examples, you can easily come through this. How we can directly write the or expand the determinants. Okay? Are you understand how we can expand the determinants of order 3/3? So I will take one example. We can easily understand. So see, example, evaluate (3 minus 1 2), 2 3 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. Evaluate means find the value of this determinant, and determinant order is 3/3. Getting? Okay. Now I will write the determinant first. Next is equal to, this is equal to, now I have to expand this along the first row. Yes, expanding along the first row. How we can expand? Directly can we? Yes, so see here, first term 3. So I have to take first row of this column, sorry, for first row of this determinant for the expansion, plus, minus, plus. Fix. Always you have to take the sign as plus, minus, plus only. So 3. So 3 is present in which row? First row and first column. So I have to leave first row and first column. What is left? There is left a 2 by 2 determinant. So I have to write here 3 minus 1 minus 5 0. Yes. Next for the second element. Second element already here minus sign should be there as the rule, and the second term is element is minus 1. So I have to write here minus 1. Next determinant. So minus 1 is present in first row and second column. So I have to leave first row and second column. What is left? 2 minus 1 3 0 plus third term plus 2 with sign plus, and the left determinant is 2 3 minus 5. Just go on simplifying these terms and you will finally get the value of this determinant. So how we will get? Equal to 3 into. First I have to solve this determinant. How we can solve the 2 by 2 determinant? Just multiply, that is cross multiply or the multiply diagonal elements. 3 into 0, 0. Minus sign is compulsory. Minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5. First one is over. Next one, minus into minus plus 1 into determinant value. 2 into 0, 0 minus 3 into minus 1. That is minus 3. Okay. Next for this one, plus 2, multiply the diagonal. 2 into minus 5, minus 10, minus 3, 3s are 9. This minus is in determinant rule only. Next, 3 into 0 minus 5, minus 5, plus 1 into minus of minus 3, plus 3, plus 2 into minus 10 minus 9, minus 19. Next, 3 into minus 5 is, 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into minus 19. 2 into minus 19 is minus 38. Just go on simplifying. What you will get? Minus 15 minus 38. What you will get? Minus 53. Sorry, I will solve one by one. Minus 15 plus 3 minus 12. Minus 12 minus 38. Minus 50. Just check once. Yes, you will get the minus 50. Like this way we can solve the determinants. Expanding along the first row and writing like this. Just go on simplifying and you will get the final answer. Like this way we can find out the determinant values. So there are this other so many problems on these determinants. So we will solve in the next chapter, next class.